Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's me, Stu. Yeah, that me. Now I have this 2019 Kia Forte. This is how you open the hood. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick. You feel me? Stu, boom, come with me. Let's do it like a pro. That's a latch. That's a kickstand right there. That's how you support the hood so it doesn't fall on your head. Now we proceed to remove the oil engine cup, and if you want you can pull out the oil dipstick. All right, after that we proceed to lift the car or get under the car and look for the oil drain plug, which is right here, ED, and the oil filter is right next to it. The blue thing, that's the one. Now we're gonna use a 17mm socket to remove the oil drain plug. You feel me? I just want to say, while I do this, I just want to say thank you for the support, thank you for the help, thank you for the love to all my old subscribers, new subscribers, newcomer subscribers. Thank you, I appreciate it. Where would I be without you? Let's get it. Now we're gonna drain the oil, and if you want to see how to reset the oil life in this vehicle, I have the video. Just go to my videos. At the top of the screen, you're gonna see the search box. Type Kia, how to reset the oil life, and the video is gonna pop out right there. Click it, and yada me. Now we drain the oil. We put the oil drain plug back, tight it, snug it. Now we proceed to remove the oil filter. This is the tool of so many out there. Now since the oil filter is hiding right there, I'm gonna grab a rag and remove the oil filter. This is it. You feel me? This is the new one, 61334. That's the part number. Don't forget to clean the oil filter housing. Okay, lube the oil filter, by the way, and install it. Okay, on the other hand, I want to encourage the females, the ladies, to become a mechanic, since I haven't seen that many out here in the field. All right, catch up, ladies. Now we proceed to put the oil, and I want to check the oil level. But before this, once you put the oil in this vehicle, is 5 quarts, okay, regular oil, 5W20. Okay, we put the oil cap back, the oil engine cap, we put it back, start the vehicle for a minute, shut it down, and then we can check it with the oil dipstick. Okay, that's what I usually do. And this is it. Thank you for watching.